viewers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 2 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is subject and predicate. So let's see कि subject and predicate में हमें क्या बताया जा रहा है, right? So they say a sentence contains two parts, subject and predicate. तो एक सेंटेंस में दो पार्ट्स होते हैं यूजुअली, दैट इज सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट, राइट? सो हियर आर फ्यू एग्जांपल्स वेयर द सब्जेक्ट हैज बीन हाइलाइटेड विद ब्लू कलर एंड द प्रेडिकेट विद द रेड. सो यहाँ पर हमारे पास कुछ एग्जांपल्स हैं जहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट जो है वो हाईलाइटेड है, राइट? सो लेट्स सी नाउ स्टडी दीज सेंटेंसेस. Girls are swimming very nicely. Komal bought a book, right? So they say a subject is that person, animal, thing or place about which something is said, and predicate is that which is said about the subject. तो एक subject एक पर्सन, एनिमल, थिंग या फिर प्लेस हो सकता है जिसके बारे में हम एक सेंटेंस में कुछ बात कह रहे हों, और उस सब्जेक्ट के बारे में जो बातें कही जाती हैं उन्हें कहा जाता है प्रेडिकेट. नाउ स्टडी दीज सेंटेंसेस. तो अब जल्दी से इन सेंटेंसेस को पढ़ते हैं. दे से दीपक इज वेटिंग फॉर अ बस. वी शुड ऑलवेज ड्रिंक प्योर वाटर. The lion chased the goat. An elephant is a big animal. Rahul decorates the class. Right? In these sentences, we can find the subject and predicate easily. See how? तो इन sentences में हम subject और predicate को easily अलग कर सकते हैं, उन्हें पहचान सकते हैं. So let's see कैसे. दीपक is waiting for a bus. So यहाँ दो कैटेगरीज डिवाइडेड है, एक सब्जेक्ट की और एक प्रेडिकेट की. तो हमने दोनों को ही अलग अलग लिख रखा है, इसीलिए हम लोग इन्हें आसानी से आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. We should always drink fresh water. So we is the subject and rest of the sentence is the predicate. Again we have some examples divided in two categories. Let's read them. The lion chased the goat. Rahul decorates the class. An elephant is a big animal, right? Now to find subjects and predicates in interrogative and imperative sentences. अब हम normal sentences में तो subject और predicate को easily identify कर सकते हैं. But what about the interrogatives and the imperatives, right? So let's see. First of all, they have described about the interrogatives. So let's talk about them. So interrogative sentences are slightly different from assertive or imperatives as their order of words is different. तो ये जो interrogative sentences है इनका जो order है वो थोड़ा सा अलग होता है, right? क्योंकि ये assertive और imperative से बहुत ज़्यादा अलग होते हैं. Look at the following. Have you brought some vegetables? Do we need a house? Are they feeling hot? So we can find subjects and predicate in these sentences by rewriting them into statements. अगर हम इन्हें अब statement बनाकर लिख दें instead of questions, तो हम इनमें subject आसानी से निकाल सकते हैं. जैसे कि you have brought some vegetables. We need a house. They are feeling hot, right? Now it is very easy to identify subject and predicate. और अब बहुत easily हम इनमें subject और predicate को ढूंढ सकते हैं, right? Moving ahead, we have in imperatives. Look at these sentences. Don't play on the road. Open the gate. So these sentences are commands. अब हमने देखा कि जो पर imperative sentences हैं ये actually commands हैं. The implied subject in these sentences is you. इन sentences में जो implied subject है वो you है जो कि understood है. In exclamatory sentences We can find subject easily by writing sentences into statements. इनमें भी हम यही कर सकते हैं. अगर अब इन imperatives को statements में बदल दे तो easily हम लोग इन्हें subject जो है वो find कर सकते हैं. Just like what a big shot it is. It is a big shot. So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all found the concepts really well and you'll be easily able to identify the subject and predicate in assertive, interrogative and imperative sentences as well. Right? So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.